Hello, my all dear friends. Today I am telling you about my introduction. So, my name is Omkar Prajapati, and my nickname is Aman Prajapati. I am studying in class 8th in KVS school. Today, KVS school. This school is situated in beside the Sanjay Gandhi College. My mother is an housewife, and my father is an principal in village side area. I joined a shivshakti English coaching center at 16 May, and I learn about English tense, how to speak, and how to make a sentence, and how to translate Hindi to English. And I tell me about my wishes. I want to make a district magistrate, and my hobbies are playing cricket, badminton, and etc. At future, I didn't know what I am being in that field, but as per the situation, I I knew. Thank you.
What do you think the education of Sidhi?
The education of Sidhi is much improved at 2 to 3 years. There are much facilities in school, and there are so many schools were also built.
How do you improve your study and what is your study plan to do the best?
First of all, I study in KVS, so the school is 1 to 12th, and after 1 to 12th, I complete my graduation, and uh, I will go to another field.
Okay, and what are your dreams for your parents?
Uh, my dreams for my parents is my father said you become that person like doctor, engineer, etc.
The last, would you like to give any message?
A message is never give up, and you always give you always
Be positive.
you always be positive. Thank you.